TradingView is a comprehensive platform offering a variety of tools for technical analysis, including support and resistance indicators. Support and resistance levels are critical in understanding market dynamics, representing areas where buying and selling pressure converge. Drawing these levels on TradingView charts provides traders with clear reference points for making informed trading decisions. Horizontal lines are commonly used to mark support and resistance levels, guiding traders on potential entry and exit points. Additionally, TradingView offers a range of other indicators, like the Relative Strength Index RSI, Exponential Moving Average EMA, and Moving Average MA. RSI helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions, indicating potential trend reversals. EMA and MA are trend-following indicators that help smooth out price fluctuations and identify the direction of the trend. Another popular indicator available on TradingView is Super Trend, which is based on volatility and provides buy and sell signals based on changes in trend direction. Combining support and resistance indicators with other technical analysis tools can enhance the accuracy of trading signals. Traders can customize indicator settings on TradingView according to their preferences and trading strategies. It's essential to understand the strengths and limitations of each indicator and use them in conjunction with other analysis techniques. When using indicators like RSI, traders look for divergences between price and the indicator, which can signal potential trend reversals. EMA and MA crossovers are also significant events that traders pay attention to, as they can indicate shifts in market sentiment. Super Trend provides traders with dynamic support and resistance levels, helping them identify potential entry and exit points. While indicators are valuable tools for analyzing price movements, they should be used alongside other forms of analysis and risk management techniques. Developing a comprehensive trading strategy involves understanding how different indicators interact and complement each other. By mastering support and resistance analysis and incorporating other indicators effectively, traders can gain a competitive edge in the market. With TradingView's intuitive interface and diverse range of indicators, traders can conduct in-depth technical analysis and make well-informed trading decisions. Continuous learning and practice are essential for traders to unlock the full potential of TradingView and maximize profitability in trading. By combining support and resistance indicators with other technical analysis tools, traders can develop robust trading strategies that adapt to changing market conditions and achieve consistent results.